Hello, welcome to Investor Web, your go-to place for the latest business insights and investment opportunities. We're here to help you navigate the ever-changing landscape of entrepreneurship and investment, offering you practical, insightful content that can help you make informed decisions about your financial future. On this channel, we cover a wide range of topics, from the ins and outs of launching a startup, to the latest trends in investment, to strategies that can help you grow and sustain your business. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a budding entrepreneur, there's something here for everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of business, focusing on the most demanding industries. We've identified the top 10 most challenging yet potentially rewarding businesses to venture into. So if you're an entrepreneur looking for your next venture, you'll want to stay tuned. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we delve into the fitness industry. This industry thrives on the ever-present demand for health and wellness services. From boutique fitness studios to wellness apps, the fitness industry is booming with opportunities. However, it's not just about opening a gym or launching an app. It's about understanding what your target market wants and needs. Innovation is the lifeblood of this industry. As fitness trends come and go, the challenge lies in staying ahead of the curve, whether it's incorporating technology into workouts, offering personalized fitness plans, or creating unique wellness products. The ability to innovate and adapt is crucial. But let's not forget about the competition. With a plethora of fitness options available, standing out from the crowd can be a Herculean task. It requires a deep understanding of the market, a unique selling proposition, and a relentless drive to succeed. The fitness industry is not for the faint-hearted, but for those who can keep up. The rewards are massive. Moving on to number 9, we have the ever-evolving world of e-commerce. This dynamic sector presents a unique challenge in the world of business. Running an e-commerce venture is like juggling flaming torches. It requires a keen eye for detail, nimble fingers, and a brave heart. Firstly, there's inventory management, the art of predicting customer demand and ensuring you have just the right amount of stock, not too much, not too little. Then there's customer service. In the digital age, customers expect prompt and efficient responses. They value transparency and demand high-quality service. Next, we look at the beast that is digital marketing, SEO, PPC, social media management, content marketing, email marketing, the list goes on. Each of these elements requires a unique skill set and a deep understanding of the digital landscape. While managing an e-commerce business can be daunting, the potential for profit in the digital space is enormous. Now, let's take a look at numbers 8 to 6 on our list: real estate, food services, and tech startups. First up, at number 8, we have the real estate sector. This industry is demanding due to the sheer amount of capital investment required, not to mention the in-depth knowledge of property markets. It's a game of high stakes and high rewards. If you're willing to put in the time, effort, and significant financial investment, you could find yourself reaping some serious benefits. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. The real estate market fluctuates, and it's all about timing and patience. Moving on to number 7, food services. This sector encompasses everything from fast food joints to fine dining, from food trucks to caterers. The demands of this industry are unique and multifaceted. You need to manage perishable inventory, adhere to stringent health codes, and ensure customer satisfaction. It's a business where the margin for error is small, but the opportunity to connect with customers on a daily basis provides a rewarding experience that's hard to match. And finally, at number 6, we have tech startups. In the fast-paced world of technology, these businesses are at the forefront of innovation, constantly pushing boundaries. But with that comes a high level of demand. Tech startups require not only a unique, marketable idea, but also a deep understanding of the sector, the ability to attract and retain skilled employees, and a willingness to take risks. These businesses often operate in uncertain environments, but the potential for massive growth and impact is a powerful draw. These businesses can be highly demanding, but the potential for growth and profit makes them enticing ventures for the dedicated entrepreneur. Remember, every business requires a unique blend of skills, passion, and resilience. It's about finding the right fit for you, where your strengths can shine, and where you're willing to face the challenges head-on. As we continue to count down the most demanding businesses, think about where you see yourself fitting in this entrepreneurial landscape. We're halfway through our countdown. Next up are healthcare, education, and finance. Let's start with healthcare, a sector that's as rewarding as it is demanding. It's a field that calls for high levels of expertise, a constant commitment to learning, and a deep understanding of human nature. The stakes are high in healthcare. After all, we're talking about people's lives. This means that anyone venturing into this area must be prepared to adhere to strict regulations, uphold ethical standards, and provide the best possible care to every patient. But for those who are ready for the challenge, the rewards can be immense. The healthcare sector is always growing, and there's a constant demand for new solutions and services. Next, we have education. In an ever-evolving world, the need for quality education is undeniable. This sector calls for a strong passion for learning, creativity in teaching, and a deep understanding of diverse learning styles. It's not just about imparting knowledge, it's about shaping the minds of future generations. But with this great responsibility comes great pressure. Education providers must stay updated with the latest teaching methods and technologies, while also ensuring they meet the standards set by regulatory bodies. It's a demanding task, but for those who thrive in dynamic environments, it can be incredibly rewarding. Finally, we delve into the world of finance. This is a sector that's all about numbers, risks, and strategic decisions. It's a high-stakes game where the right call can lead to massive profits, but a single misstep can result in significant losses. The finance sector demands a deep understanding of economic trends, financial regulations, and risk management. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those who have the knack for crunching numbers and predicting market trends. It's an exciting world filled with opportunities. These sectors demand a lot, but they also offer enormous opportunities for those willing to navigate their complexities. At number 2, we have a sector that's not just demanding, but also crucial for our future: renewable energy. This field is booming with potential, yet it's not for the faint of heart. Entering the renewable energy sector requires significant capital, from the initial investment for large-scale equipment to the ongoing costs of maintenance and operations. It's certainly a hefty financial commitment. Moreover, this business demands a deep understanding of technology. It's an industry that's constantly evolving, with new innovations around every corner. Mastery of current technologies and a keen eye on the horizon are both essential. And let's not forget regulations. Navigating the intricate web of local and international laws and standards can be a daunting task. Clear understanding and compliance are key to success and longevity in this sector. The renewable energy sector is demanding, but its importance for our future cannot be overstated. And finally, the most demanding business on our list: artificial intelligence. This field, known as AI, is a whirlwind of innovation. It requires a deep well of cutting-edge knowledge, and staying ahead of the curve is a must. From machine learning to natural language processing, the landscape of AI is vast and ever-changing. Acquiring the right talent is another challenge. Engineers, data scientists, and AI specialists are in high demand, and attracting these professionals requires competitive compensation and a compelling vision. But the complexities of AI go beyond technology and talent. Ethical considerations are also a major concern. How can we ensure AI is used responsibly? How do we prevent biases from being encoded into our algorithms? These are questions that AI businesses must grapple with daily. The world of AI is as demanding as it gets. But for those who can navigate its complexities, the potential for success is astronomical. And there you have it, the top 10 most demanding businesses. We've journeyed from the fitness industry all the way through to artificial intelligence, exploring the unique challenges and potential rewards each sector presents. E-commerce, real estate, food services, and tech startups have all shown their worth, each with their own set of challenges and potential for growth. We've also delved into the ever-important sectors of healthcare, education, and finance, demonstrating the increasing demand and potential they hold. But let's not forget the rising star, renewable energy, offering a promising future for those ready to invest. And of course, the champion, artificial intelligence, a field that is not only demanding, but also brimming with untapped possibilities. It's crucial to understand these demands before diving headfirst into any venture. Each business sector has its own unique ecosystem, and comprehending this is key to success. Remember, the most demanding businesses often offer the greatest rewards. Thank you for tuning in to Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and information on all things business and investment.